afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Thank you for tuning in to my 2,932nd edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Thank you for tuning in, traders. As always, please like and share these videos and make sure that you subscribe. Do that now. Subscribe to the channel, like and share these videos. It will help me help others around the world, and you know that's my plight here, right? Leave a dent on this planet, help as many of you out there as I can, and I hope these videos are doing just that for you. So please remember the risk involved in trading. Risky. Never trade without protective stops. Always put those stops in first. This video coming at you on a Wednesday afternoon for trading Wednesday night through Thursday. That would be June 26th, 2025. So, showing you one chart. It's called Chart Masterpiece. It's been a wonderful chart to show us where the NASDAQ holds for the last couple of years, to be honest. It's worked really well. And the NASDAQ is looking fantastic up here, but the OMNI, for some reason, went into neutral pattern for us today. It just said, Oscar, stop. All right, so we're going neutral, and we're not going to take the OMNI signal in the indices, but being that they're neutral, I get to do whatever I want, and I may find a nice trade for trading on Thursday in my trading room. We'll see what happens, but the OMNI officially is neutral. But you can see the chart looks just fantastic. The only time this chart has had trouble for years, literally, staying inside this channel was the tariff drop, right? Failure to hold this time because of the tariffs. We were tariffed, if you will. Boom, boom, down. We came down to our OMNI target, went right back up, and we are back in the saddle, back above that green average, inside the channel. Overall, long-term looks great, but for whatever reason, OMNI put me on hold, told me not to take a trade for trading on Thursday, even the S&P NASDAQ Russell. There are other markets I'm looking at, but I just wanted to let you know, being that we had such a fantastically bullish webinar, and from a few days back, and that webinar was my last video I left out there so you guys could study from it, but now signals are starting to alter a little. It went from bullish to neutral, and I wanted to share that with you. Tomorrow night, I'll get out in front of the cameras, and we'll do a bunch of charts, and we'll see what's going on out there. Please stay tuned. Join me at livewithoscar.com in my free live trading room. I'm always there, including this moment right now. I'm there waving to you because I'm always in my live trading room. So if you want to join me, it's really simple. Just go to livewithoscar.com, register, check your email, check your spam if it doesn't go to your email, click the link back, and join me in this live trading room. We are here all the time, kids. I hope to see you there. Good luck trading. I'll see you out in front of the camera tomorrow night. I'll see you all in my trading room tonight, tomorrow as well. Thank you for tuning in. Good luck out there, traders. And remember, stop soar in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll, traders. Emotions are out. Put your stops in first. Don't be crazy. Trade like a professional. And I will see you all at Live with Oscar.